art tool that could target the sense of smell and at the same time obtain a result that could catch the eye. After sharing my ideas with the experts from Jet Chill, the Flavour Blaster was born. Until now, there were no techniques or devices that could literally allow you to be creative without limits. It's a device that can deliver unlimited sources of aromatic sensation, and of course, it makes a spectacular serve for your food and drinks. The possibilities are endless with the Flavour Blaster. Salute!